Hello students. In today's video, we begin with the lesson The Race. As you all know, the syllabus is divided into units. The first unit consists of three different literary pieces. The Race, a story by Nisha Punjabi. In second lesson, learning the game and excerpt from the autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar. And third lesson is a poem, Bang the Drum, by Brian Adams and Nelly Furtado. All these explains how a good sportsman is molded by perseverance, motivation, and self confidence. The unit is intended to develop sportsmanship and confidence in you all. Let's begin with the lesson. First, I will read the lesson para by para and explain. The text will be displayed on the screen to help you. Read with me, okay? Before we go into the lesson, let's have a quick look on the author. Nisha Punjabi, a graduate in English Literature and Economics, is a freelance writer based in Lucknow, India. From 2004 to 2005, she was employed with Lucknow Times, a magazine of Times of India. She is introduced to the learners as a budding woman writer of India. The Race is an award-winning story in a sports category competition held by the Children's Book Trust, New Delhi, India in 2001. Now, children, let's get into the lesson. Have you seen the Oscar-winning movie Forrest Gump? If you have not, try to watch it. Not only it's a nice movie, but also the storyline or theme is similar to our lesson. Even the Malayalam movie Kochava Paulo, Ayyappa Koilo, in which Kunjaga Boban is starring, is also somewhat in the same lines. The central character of our story is also a small boy, like that of the movies I mentioned. His weakness is that he is poor at studies, and unfortunately, he is always compared to his brother who is good at studies. So, he gets insulted every time by everyone. But our little hero is good at one thing, running. He is a very good athlete. He starts running to release the negative energy in him when something troubles him or things are against him. Race. Tarun was a mediocre student. His grades could barely satisfy his parents, and he was not a good singer, dancer, painter, or even an actor. He always thought of himself as the black sheep of the family. His elder brother, who was pursuing a degree in engineering from a reputed college, always made the family proud. But Tarun was never good at anything like that. Children, what's the meaning of the word mediocre? Mediocre means average, not very good. Tarun is an average student. His marks never satisfy his parents. And unlike other children of his age, he did not show normal seen talents like singing, dancing, painting, or acting. He was thought of himself as the black sheep of the family. Black sheep, it's an idiom. Black sheep എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ആ ഫ്രേസിൻ്റെ അർത്ഥം എന്താ? എ മെമ്പർ ഓഫ് എ ഫാമിലി ഓർ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഹൂ ഈസ് റിഗാർഡഡ് ആസ് എ ഡിസ്ഗ്രേസ് ടു ഇറ്റ് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരു നാണക്കേട്, ഒരു മുടിയനായ പുത്രൻ എന്നൊക്കെ പറയാം. His elder brother who was pursuing, what's the meaning for the word pursuing? Continuing a degree in engineering from a reputed means famous college, always made the family proud. But Tarun was never good at anything like that. He had any talents like that as we have seen in the above lines. Okay. However, he was blessed with the strength of a great athlete. He was an excellent runner. He would run for hours, be it day or night. Whenever he felt sad and lonely, he exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent up emotions. At times, he would miss his school bus and would then run to school, which was 5 miles away from his home. He just had one dream, to become the fastest runner in the world. Tarun did not know how to achieve his dream. On the one hand, his parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies, which he never did. On the other hand, he belonged to a middle class family. and Tarun knew that to achieve his dream, he needed an intensive training, the amount for which was well beyond his family's reach. However, he was blessed with the strength of a good athlete because it means he was blessed with the strength of a good runner. He was an excellent runner. Excellent runner means a very good runner. He would run for hours, be it day or night. രാവും പകലും ഒന്നും ഒരു നോട്ടമില്ലാതെ നന്നായിട്ട് എപ്പോഴും അവൻ ഓടുമായിരുന്നു. He trained running. Okay. Whenever he felt sad and lonely, he exhausted. What's the meaning for that word exhausted? Means tired himself എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ എനർജി ഊർജ്ജം തീർക്കുക എന്നുള്ള exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent up emotions. What's the meaning of that phrase? Added up emotions എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അടിച്ചമർത്തിയ വികാരം, അവന് സങ്കടമോ ഇൻസൾട്ടോ ഒക്കെ എന്തൊക്കെ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് അവനത് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ അതാണ് അടിച്ചമർത്തിയ വികാരം എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. At times he would miss his school. Sometimes he will miss his school bus, and what will he do? He would then run to school, which was 5 miles from his home. He just had one dream, to become the fastest runner in the world. And what was his greatest dream? His greatest dream was to become the fastest runner in the world. Tarun did not know how to achieve his dream. On the one hand, his parents hated his running and wanted him to concentrate more on his studies. So what was his dream? Tarun dreamt to be the fastest runner. And to achieve that, he knew he had to be trained. He should get a good training in that, and also should be guided, but that was costly and his family could not afford. Okay. When Tarun failed in his terminal examinations, his father was very angry with him. His friends too made fun of him. It was a day he wanted to wipe out from his memory, and so he took to running. He ran all around the park. The sun beat down to check his rage, but nothing could stop Tarun. After about an hour, he was fully exhausted, and his fury having subsided, he threw himself on a bench and started panting heavily. His father was angry with him because he failed in his terminal examination, and even his friends and his family, everybody made fun of him. And it was a day he wanted to wipe out. Wipe out means തുടച്ചു നീക്കുക, ആ ഓർമ്മയിൽ നിന്ന്, ഫ്രം ഹിസ് മെമ്മറി, ഓർമ്മയിൽ നിന്ന് ആ ദിവസം അവൻ തുടച്ചു നീക്കുക, വൈപ്പ് ഔട്ട് ഫ്രം ഹിസ് മെമ്മറി. ആൻഡ് സോ ഹി ടുക്ക് ടു റണ്ണിങ്. വാട്ട് ഡിഡ് ഹി ഡു ഫോർ ദാറ്റ്? ടു റിലീസ് ഹിസ് ടെൻഷൻ ഓർ ഹിസ് ആംഗർ or so and so, he started running. He ran all around the park. The sun beat down to check his rage, but nothing could stop Tarun. What does it mean? Even though the sun was hot and sunny, it shows that the sun tried to check Tarun's anger. For 1 hour he ran. He was fully exhausted, and his fury having subsided. Exhausted means when he became tired. ക്ഷീണിച്ച് തളർന്നപ്പോൾ, 1 മണിക്കൂറൊക്കെ ഓടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ക്ഷീണിച്ച് തളർന്നപ്പോൾ. ആൻഡ് ഹിസ് ഫ്യൂരി മീൻസ് വയലൻറ്റ് പാഷൻ, അല്ല അവൻ്റെ അരിശം, വിഷമം ഒക്കെ. ഫ്യൂരി ഹാവിങ് സബ്സൈഡഡ് മീൻസ് റെഡ്യൂസ്ഡ്. ഇവിടെ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒന്ന് അടങ്ങിയപ്പോൾ. ഹി ത്രൂ ഹിംസെൽഫ് ഓൺ എ ബെഞ്ച് ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റാർട്ടഡ് പാൻറ്റിങ് ഹെവിലി. പാൻറ്റിങ് മീൻസ് ബ്രീത്ത് ഹാർഡ്, കിതയ്ക്കുക. Suddenly, he heard a voice at his elbow. "What is it, son?" Tarun turned to his left, and there sat a man of about 60. "I failed in 2 subjects," he replied in a depressed tone. The man smiled sympathetically and said, "Life is full of ups and downs, my boy. By the way, I am Ram Narayan, and you are one of the best runners I have ever seen." Ram Narayan? Are you the same Ram Narayan who won an Olympic medal in the 400-meter race in the 1960s? Tarun could not hide his excitement. Suddenly, he heard somebody's noise near him, asking that, "What is it, son?" And when he turned to his left, he saw a man about 60 years of old. And he replied to that man. He said that he failed in 2 subjects, and he was in a very depressed mood, and also he was in a very depressed tone. He spoke to this man. The man smiled sympathetically, and he said, the man with much affection, we can say that, he spoke to him. Everybody have good and bad times in life. And he introduced himself, that he said that he was Ram Narayan, and he appreciated him for his talent. He said that Varun is one among the best runners he had ever seen. And hearing this boy Tarun, he felt so surprised and he was very happy to hear these words from Ram Narayan. And he was in big wonder also, and he asked him whether this Ram Narayan is the Olympian who won the gold medal in 400-meter race in 1960. Children, we stop here today. Read the taught portion a couple of times before you come for next class. Thank you all.